Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP ZBook Studio 16. So open any browsers to Google search box to type as it is same like that, and go to this first URL which is support.hp.com and driver. So you can see, just right click to new tab and then you come on this, select your operating system. Okay, Windows 10, 11 which is you using. Then scroll down. Then lot of driver you can see: BIOS, diagnostic, audio, chipset, and cap, graphic card, network, and all. So extract audio and then select it, then minimize it, then chipset drive. Okay, then audio, and then extract, and then graphic card. So try to this one, NVIDIA graphic card. Select this. Okay, then keyboard, mouse, cameras, you can install camera and fingerprint. Select this, then driver, network, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Okay, LAN driver it is not there. Okay, you can see selected all driver, you can see here, and you just one click to download the all driver one by one automatically. Then this is downloaded method, and then next how to install this downloaded setup. So just click one on yes to click. All the installations process almost same, so you can just next to install. After that you can restart your system. Okay, thank you.